In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your website with a free SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt using HostGator and WordPress. Making sure your website is protected with SSL is a vital step in securing data and reassuring your visitors. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your HostGator cPanel. If you're unfamiliar, cPanel is where you manage all aspects of your web hosting. To access it, you might use a link provided by HostGator like cpanel.yourdomain.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard featuring a variety of tools for managing your website. We're focusing on security today, so let's look for the SSL, also TLS, or SSL certificates section. HostGator usually provides a free Let's Encrypt SSL option, which is perfect for securing your site at no cost. Click on that section and follow the instructions to enable a free SSL certificate for your domain. Simply select the domain you want to secure and proceed with the setup. HostGator makes this a seamless process, often completing the setup with just a couple of clicks. Now, to ensure your website fully benefits from the SSL certificate, you must make some adjustments in WordPress. So let's log into your WordPress dashboard. This is typically accessed through yourdomain.com/bup admin, where you'll enter your WordPress username and password. Once inside the dashboard, it's time to search for a useful tool, a plugin that will make using SSL straightforward. We recommend you install and activate a plugin like Really Simple SSL. Head over to Plugins on the left menu, click Add New, and in the search bar, type Really Simple SSL. You should see it appear fairly quickly. Click Install Now, and then Activate to get it up and running on your site. With the plugin activated, the next step is to follow the plugin's instructions to force HTTPS on your website. Once activated, the plugin usually offers an easy setup wizard or auto detection process to switch your site to SSL. It'll convert all incoming traffic from HTTP to the secure HTTPS, which is indicated by the padlock icon in the browser address bar. Make sure to go through any recommended settings or optimizations suggested by the plugin to maximize your website's security. The final step is crucial: testing your website to confirm the SSL is working correctly. Open your website in a new browser and check that the URL now begins with HTTPS rather than HTTP. Additionally, look for the padlock icon in the address bar. This locks in the credibility and security that SSL provides to your site visitors. Congratulations! You've just successfully secured your website with an SSL certificate